As a machinery contract manufacturing company, the PEKO team has grown accustomed to the fact that 9 out of 10 of our best programs aren't ready for production manufacturing. The new product introduction process can be daunting, but today we're going to boil it down to 4 phases of the process you really need to embrace when you bring your equipment to market. The first step is to nurture your idea. Whether it's on a napkin or CAD model, you have to start concepting your machine. Next is prototyping. Your prototype is meant to prove the concept can work and provide some basic intended functionality. The pilot build is the last step before production. By this time, your prototype has gone through some major engineering treatment, and to prepare for production, revisions that are nearly identical to the production revision are being built in low volumes to ensure the builds are repeatable and assembly and testing methods are correct. At PEKO, we do more than talk about the process, we live it. Learn more about our new product introduction process for machinery, equipment, and hardware by clicking the link.